Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Charge 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. This has battery problem. I will show you how to identify the problem. And this is the GG series of JBL Charge 2. Charge 2 has here golden logo here. Charge 2 Plus has golden logo here. Charge 2 will not have this golden logo, but it will look similar. So this is GG series. You can see there will be a sticker here. First two letters will show you the series of the speaker. So this is Charge 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker of GG series. This is very important. Alright, so I will show you what is the problem. I will show you the symptoms that it is not charging or why battery replacement is required. One of the few symptoms I will tell. There will be so many other symptoms. So you can see, first of all, it will not turn on. So I am turning on the speaker here. Nothing is happening. Now I am connecting the charger here. So after connecting the charger, you can see the light is blinking here. It will turn on, but there will be no sound. You can see it is turned on. Pressing the Bluetooth button, still there is no sound. So this indicates the battery problem. After replacing the battery, the sound will come because the battery doesn't store the voltage here or the current. Because of that, there will be no sound here. This is one of the symptoms of battery issue. So this will never get full. Alright, now let me show you how to tear this down and install the battery. The best way to tear down and replace the battery of this JBL Charge 2. So I am going to use this original battery here. So this is the Great Power battery. Great Power is the company who supplies the battery to JBL, that is Harman. So this is original battery. Model number is given here. Rating is 3.7 volt, 6000 mAh, 22.2 watt hour lithium polymer battery. So this is the serial number. So this is the original battery which I am going to install here. So let me tear this down and replace the battery. So first of all, we have to take out this metal grill here. This side and this side, both sides we have to take out. It is very easy to take out. Just we have to use some prying tool here, and slowly we can lift here like this. Without marks, we can take out the metal mesh here. Now slowly by pulling like this, it will come. So this side it is fine. We have removed. Now the other side. Just we have to pry like this. You can see both sides metal mesh has been taken out. Now there are 6 screws here. This white plastic body is there. This is the housing. Behind this there will be battery. So we have to remove all these 6 screws. So all 6 screws has been taken. Just we have to lift this plastic part. This will come out. You can see the battery is bulged here. This is one of the, so this is the another indication that battery has gone bad because it has been bulged here. So now you can see slowly by lifting. So battery wires are going this way. So we have to remove these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these 4 screws we have to remove the socket of the battery. You can see here battery is bulged here, severely bulged. So this is one of the indication that battery is bad. So alright, let me take out this 4 screw here. So just placing inside here so that it will hold properly, otherwise the wire will break. So again this side. I will show you the working functionality also after replacing the battery. Don't skip the video. So after removing the 4 screws here, I advise remove these screws. Don't keep there because that may break the screw holder here this side. So 4 screws I have taken out. Now slowly by pulling like this part will come out. So I said that this part will break if we don't remove the screw. So it is advisable that the screws should be removed before pulling this plastic part. So I am going to keep this separately. So now further there are 4 screws here that I am going to remove to access the battery connector. Now slowly by pulling like this it will come out. That's it. I'm going to keep this base radiator safely. Now you can see the battery is connected here. Simply by pulling like this, connector will come out. So now we can lift the battery here and take out the battery from this place. Like this. So the socket will come. There is a hole here. So this is the old battery, you can see it is bulged. So you can see the comparison. This is the fresh battery, the same original battery, but this has been bulged and this is flat, proper flat. So this is good battery. So even if you want battery for your speaker, this original battery, I have few stocks. So you can check the stock by doing message to this above WhatsApp number, and you can replace the battery by yourself, because I have shown you I have shown you how to replace the battery here in this video. So if you find difficult, you can send it the speaker to me, or you can bring it here to my place. I am located here in Bangalore, Karnataka, which is in India. So alright, so now I am going to simply insert the battery here. So if you are not from Karnataka or from Bangalore, if you want to send it to me, you can use speed post courier from India Post Office. So it will be cheaper and it will be easy. You can send it to me here in Bangalore from any part of the India, from any pin code you can send it to me. So alright, now battery has been installed. Now I am going to just simply connect this. That's it. Now before assembling it back, I want to turn on the speaker. This should turn on. You can see it has started working. So I'm pressing the Bluetooth button. Yes, the 5 lights is glowing. So speaker has started working. So the third identification I want to tell you before assembling it and show you the audio demo. So the third problem is battery voltage that we have to check. This is the old battery which I have removed. So I am going to set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here. So let me check the voltage. This should be at least of 3.5 volts or more. If it is less, then the battery is bad. Sometimes it is 0, so completely dead battery. So I'm just checking it. So you can see voltage is 0.03. The battery is completely bad. So this is the third way to identify the problematic battery. So let me keep this battery separately. So even this model has crackling sound problem. Even the drivers are for sale here. If you want to buy the drivers, I have only original drivers. I don't have any other. So if you want to buy these drivers also, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. Check the stock by doing message. So please avoid calling, because I get so many calls actually. So I may not respond and you may feel bad. So if you do message, definitely I will reply it. I will reply for you. So alright, now it's time to put the covers back here. Now I am going to install the base radiator back to its place. Position it properly, otherwise the base radiator placeholders will break. I'm just putting the screws back. Now it's time to put this cover back to its place. So that's it. Now 4 screws again I have to put back here. Don't screw it forcefully, just limited tightening is enough. So all screws has been installed. Now it's time to put this cover here. You can see the tiny holes are there. So this will go to these placeholders. So simply by keeping like this, or you can take out the screws and install. So I have not taken out the screws. So 6 screws we have to tighten here just to hold the battery in its position. So done, all 6 screws has been installed. Now just we have to put this metal mesh back to its place. So again, this is the back side metal plate grill. So there is a cut here, you can see. So you can see there is a plastic here. So this is the placeholder for this metal. So So simply by keeping and pushing like this, it will go inside. You can see, that's it. So this has been placed properly. Now similarly we have to put this front metal mesh. So JBL will come at the top of this control board. So like this you have to. That's it. So now it's time to play a quick demo here. I'm going to show you the working functionality, and I'm going to show you the charging functionality here as well. So first I'm going to show you the charging functionality simply by connecting the micro USB cable here. You can see all 4 lights are completely glowing and the 5th light is blinking. That means the battery is almost fully charged. Still there is about 70 to 100% or 80 to 100% balance is there. So once it is full, this total light will turn off. So alright, now I'm going to remove the cable here. Pressing the Bluetooth button. Now it has entered in pairing mode. So let me pair this. Now it has been paired. I'm going to play the song here. So done, turned off. So this is working perfectly now. Charging is also fine. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.